In this episode, we will introduce how to type a text file. First, we talk about some punctuation marks, like comma and period. You can find the marks on your keyboard, but some marks like question mark or colon, you need to hold in Shift first and find the key on the keyboard. You must feel confused when to press Shift. There is a simple way to explain. If the mark is placed on the upper corner of the key grid, you must hold in Shift first. So this page, we talk about how to type capital letter. First, press caps lock, then you can type capital letter. And if you press again the caps lock to unlock the capital letter mode. Let's talk about two ways to type capital letter. The first one we talked before is caps lock. The second one is holding Shift. It's a kind of function. In this period, if you type anything, later it will become the big mode. If you release the Shift, it will go back to little mode. Sometimes you will forget which mode is now, so there is a simple way to check. If you forget that it is capital mode or other, you can type some letter on the text file to check. And we talk about how to save text file. First, left-click the button file and move mouse to save. Left-click the close to leave. The second one is holding Ctrl and S. This is a function called save the file. And now let's do the actual operation now. So go to the main folder and double-click to open it. And double-click the first text file. Now we type some letter like we can open the caps lock and like IJK, it will become a big mode. If we press caps lock again and we type IJK, it will become the next little mode. Now if we hold in the Shift first and press IJK, it will become the big mode, and if we now release it, it will become the little mode. And like question mark, we need to hold in Shift first and press question mark. And now if we want to save the file, go to File and find Save here. You can see on the right, it will notice you can press Ctrl and S to save file. Now we left-click the Save and it will save the file. We close it and open it again. You will see what you done before is saved.